Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Today we're going to look at 3 different ears that became victims to over Q-tipping, forcing earwax way back by the eardrum. We're also going to look at what happens when that camera is rolling at just the right moment. Our first one here is a prime example of what happens when you put a Q-tip in your ear too far. The wax gets pushed down right next to the eardrum and has to be professionally removed. Every now and then we're lucky and we get that camera running at just the right moment. So let's take a look at what happens. See that? It's a pulsing eardrum. It seems to be a thinning area on the eardrum, and every time the eustachian tube opens, it allows air pressure in and inflates that eardrum, almost like the eardrum is breathing. Looks pretty cool. We don't see it often, but it was nice to catch that one on camera. Our next patient here definitely is an over Q-tipper. You can see that the wax is pushed all the way down, further back in the center than around the sides of the ear canal, leading us to believe that this was due to Q-tipping. As we pull it out, you can see how packed tightly everything is. It's going to come out in the majority of one major chunk, just leaving a little bit of a ring around the bottom and side of the ear canal here. Once that's removed, we'll have a completely unobstructed view of the eardrum, and we'll move on to our last patient of the day. Our final patient has some wax that they pushed back pretty far. It's not very thick, so we're going to be able to easily remove this, getting it to come out in a large chunk, giving us a great view of the eardrum. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you for taking the time to watch. You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary.